In today's world of data intensive and network intensive applications, customers require efficient deployments with end to end cohesiveness at immense scale. This in turn demands a cloud solution that is easy to use, declarative in nature, and can provide policy driven lifecycle automation. Hello everyone, I am Suraj and I welcome you all to this video tutorial where we are going to discuss about SimCloud platform, a CNCF certified enhanced Kubernetes platform that automates all lifecycle processes, offering flexibility and compatibility with any cloud platform. Without any further delay, let's dive right in and get started. Let's have a look at the agenda. In this video, we are going to talk about SimCloud platform, previously known as Rakuten's Robin Cloud Native Platform and its architecture. Then we will explore its key features and benefits. In the end, we will summarize how SimCloud platform can be one of the best choice for the organizations looking to kickstart their containers journey. SimCloud platform is one of the most popular offerings in the enterprise Kubernetes world and was previously known as Rakuten's Robin Cloud Native Platform. It is focused on managing stateful applications which are crucial for many enterprise workloads, which has been a challenging ask in Kubernetes earlier. SimCloud platform is fully compatible with open source Kubernetes API, and hence you can use the same tools and workflows that you use on premises or on other public clouds. It has become an attractive choice for the organizations due to its amazing features like advanced data management capabilities, application aware scheduling, robust storage management and data services, multi-cloud portability, and many more. SimCloud platform with its application workflow manager and open source Kubernetes provides one-click or API-driven end-to-end automation which helps you to deploy, scale, heal, and upgrade your entire application while enabling observability and monitoring beyond the simple logs and utilization graphs. The other components of SimCloud platform include advanced virtual networking, application-aware storage options, and support of any type of hosting infrastructure including bare metal, VMs, AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Now let's delve into the essential characteristics and advantages offered by the SimCloud platform. Multi-cloud and on-premise support. SimCloud platform provides flexibility in deployment options, offering both cloud-based and on-premise deployment models. This allows organizations to choose the deployment method that best suits their needs. Security and compliance. The platform incorporates robust security features like encryption at rest and in flight, access controls, and granular multi-tenant role-based access management for application security, resource pool management, and policy compliance. Advanced networking capabilities as a service. This platform provides advanced networking capabilities including overlays, SRIOV, DPDK, OVS underlays, NIC bonding, IPv4 v6 dual stack, affinity anti-affinity policies, and load balancing. It enables high performance, low latency, real-time performance with flexible network as a service configurations for containerized and virtualized applications. Application performance monitoring. This platform offers comprehensive full stack monitoring and multi-tenant observability features, providing real-time metrics, logs, and tracing for application performance insights. Built-in application-aware data management. SimCloud platform backs up your data, metadata, secrets, and the ever-changing Kubernetes application config, protecting a wide range of datasets for application consistent disaster recovery of complex network and storage intensive stateful applications. It provides this capability across snapshots, backups, restore, cloning, and migration. Dynamic resource scaling. The platform provides dynamic resource scaling capabilities, allowing you to scale your applications vertically and horizontally based on demand. You can scale resources up or down with a few clicks or set policies for automatic scaling. Simplified management interface. SimCloud platform provides user-friendly and intuitive GUI, CLI, and API management interfaces that simplify configuration and management of your applications. It is so easy that anybody can operate it. Policy-driven application lifecycle automation. SimCloud platform provides policy-driven automated deployment and lifecycle management of applications, eliminating the need for manual intervention, eliminating hunting and hard coding while reducing human error. You can easily define an application policy and let SimCloud platform handle all the rest. In summary, we can say, while there are various available enterprise Kubernetes offerings, SimCloud platform has witnessed its increased popularity in recent years. With its comprehensive suite of features, including automated application deployment, multi-cloud support, security and compliance measures, data management capabilities, dynamic resource scaling, and advanced networking capabilities, SimCloud platform stands out as a superior choice for the organizations seeking an enterprise-grade Kubernetes solution. With this, we have come to the end of this video. We hope you find it useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. To learn more about our organization, feel free to click on the link provided in the description box. We shall see you in our next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates from us.